Hi, this is Abhijit and welcome to Abhi's Creation, and today's project is line follower. So this is a line follower robot. So in this video we learn how to make line follower robot and it's working. So let's see the components used in this car. So this is our line follower robot. So first, this is the IR sensor. This is a microcontroller Arduino Uno. This is a motor shield, 3.7 volt lithium ion battery and some jumper wire, switch and 2 BO motor and wheel, and there is a one caster wheel, this one. And now let's see it's working. According our program, when we switch on the switch, so that sensor, that is the IR sensor, sense if the both black line, then it's move forward. If any white line is there, so it's turned. So let's see. So thank you for watching this video. Hope so you like the project. If you like the project, please subscribe my channel. And we meet you soon. तब तक के लिए bye bye.